Hello, this is Ali032 today from ZZNetworking.com. In order to see better, press this icon to view full screen. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about using join conditions. The first joining conditions we're going to talk about are called equality joins, also referred to as equal joins, inner joins, and simple joins. They require a common column. A common column is a column which has equivalent data that exists in two or more tables. An equal join can be created by two methods, using the where clause and also using the join method with a natural join, join on, or join using keywords. All the previous examples we have gone through were inner joins using the where clause. This is the ones we've been going through all this time in the past. Now, I'm going to give you a few quick examples of the equal joins. Of the simple joins and the where clause, and then we're going to go on to join using. One second. Here we go. Let's get the code in front of us. Okay, for this simple join we have select rep number from the rep table, first name, last name, both in the rep table, customer name from the customer table, the street for our customer, the city for our customer, and the state for our customer, from rep table, from customer, where rep.repnum equals customer.repnum. This is an equal join because we use the equal sign here, which you can see. Since it's an equality join and we're using the where clause, it's also called a simple join. We go ahead and execute this, and now we have rep number, first name, last name of our representatives, the customer name, and the street, city, and state that our customers live on. Now, let me give you another quick example using a table qualifier. This would also be considered an equal join, because if you see where I'm highlighting, actually right here in the where clause where I'm highlighting, we're using an equal sign as opposed to the between operator or something else. This makes it an equal join. So here I'm doing a simple equal join, but we're qualifying the tables with different letters. Like here in the from clause we have customer C, order line L, orders O. I've already explained this in previous tutorials. This is once again a reminder. So we say select C.customer num, C represents the customer table, L.order num, L represents the order line table, and order date from customer C, order line L, orders O, where C.customer num from the customer table, equals O.customer num from the orders table, and O.order num, order number from the orders table, equals L.order num, order number from the order line table. We execute this and we get the results. And once again, this is a equal join, a simple join, because we're using equal as opposed to between or some other operator. Now, there's another way to make an equivalent join, and that's what we're going to be covering right now. The first way we're going to talk about is called a natural join. So, let's go ahead and code the following. First, let's go ahead and view everything from the orders table. So we view everything from the orders table. Now, we notice that there's the order number column, order date, and customer number column. Now let's view everything from the order line table. We notice that there's the order number column, part number, number ordered, and quoted price. The only column these two tables have in common is order number. So, we could say in our first code, select order number from the orders table, order date, quoted price from orders, order line, where orders.order_num equals orderline.order_num. We can execute this, and this is our traditional where clause equal join that we've been using the entire time. We get 9 rows as a result of this. Or we could try something else. We're going to try the natural join method. As opposed to coding this on top, which you see here, instead we simply say select order number. We do not qualify it, and I'll show you why in a second why we don't qualify order number even though it exists in both tables. We say select order number, order date, quoted price from orders, natural join order line. And the reason why we can natural join is because both tables have the order number column in common, and that's also why we don't need to qualify when using natural join, since our order number will be same for both tables. We execute this, and sure enough, we get exactly the same rows returned. Now, we can go ahead and execute the first one. You can see that the rows are exactly the same. Now, what would happen if we were to forget the important rule and try and qualify using natural join? Say orders.order number. Let's try this. We go ahead and execute this, and we get an error, and it says column used natural join cannot have a qualifier. So remember that whenever using natural join, do not use a qualifier. So let's try another few examples of this. Well, the example I want to show you in the next one is actually why most programmers avoid using natural join. And the reason why is, let's go ahead and code the following. We say select first name, last name, and customer name from rep natural join customer. We get no data found. Now, why is this? It's not because there really is no data found for this query. It's because we're using the natural join clause, which has the following problems. If we select all from rep, you're going to notice that there's the rep number column. Pay attention to the street, the city, and state column as well, and zip column. Because if we were to go to customer, we select all from customer, they of course have rep number, but they also have zip, state, city, and street. Now, for the rep number column, the values here 15, 25, and 35 represent representatives in the rep table. However, the state, zip, city, and street columns represent where our customers' businesses are located. For instance, Johnson's Hardware is located at 4567 Vermont, Flagstaff, Arizona, zip code 90834. Let's go back to select all from rep. Here, our street, city, and state, and zip are representing where our representatives are located, not our customers. So here, Pete Smith is located at 321 Gulf Avenue, Chester, California, 43567. So when you use this natural join, you're not specifying which column Oracle should join on. You're simply saying that the two tables have a common column, join. If you're dealing with two tables that may have the same column name and data type and similar values, and you say natural join, you cannot do it when you have two tables in this fashion, because it'll obviously give you the no data found. You can only do it when you have two tables like orders and order line, where there's only one common column, and that common column relates between the two tables. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you for your time, and may God bless you.